Hey guys, it's Zach from Pensacola, Florida. New Year's Day. We're cooking some collard greens in the big Instant Pot. New Year's Day in the South, we have to have our collard greens, black-eyed peas, and cornbread. So that's collard greens are finishing up. I'm gonna show you how I do my black-eyed peas. This ain't my grandma's black-eyed peas. These are gonna have a little kick to them, but they're good. They're real good. All right, so I cut up my bacon. I've got it on the saute mode, and I'm sauteing it. I'm not gonna brown it as much as I would any other regular recipe. So not medium brown. Let me show you real quick. So that's about how much. All right, so now I'm gonna throw in some onion. I cut about 2 small onions. I'm gonna throw those in there. Stir those up. Stir those up so they just start to soften. Alright, give those just a minute more. Get that stirring in that bacon grease. I tell you, these are gonna be good. These are gonna be real good. One good thing about this recipe is I'm using dried beans. When my grandma made black-eyed peas, I remember her having to soak the peas overnight in this pressure cooker. We don't have to do that anymore. So I've got a 12-ounce bag of dry black-eyed peas. Now I ran them under the water just to rinse off any dirt or dust that was on them, but these came straight out of the bag, so that's what we're going to use. This recipe is for dry black-eyed peas. All right. These are starting to soften a little bit. So now I'm going to put in my garlic. I rough cut about, I don't know, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. And my celery. I got maybe 3 stalks of celery. Again, this is the South. Black-eyed peas, cornbread, and collard greens for New Year's Day. It brings you luck and prosperity. So in the comments, I'd love to hear what y'all in other parts of the country cook on, on New Year's Day. All right, this is already smelling good, but now I'm going to stir in. I normally use a hog jowls or smoked turkey leg or a ham hock, but I got a real good deal of these smoked ham chunks. I'm just going to put those in there, cook those with it. At the end of the recipe, I'll probably just pull those out and discard them, throw them away. But you want them in there for that smoky flavor. All right, now I'm going to put my seasonings in there. Okay, what I got is I got a half teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of thyme, I got a tablespoon of smoked paprika, and a teaspoon of salt, and I got 2 bay leaves. So those are going in the pot. Man, you wouldn't believe how good this smells. All that is stirring, get those spices mixed in with that meat and with those vegetables. I've got one little kicker before I put the beans and the broth in. I've got balsamic vinegar. I'm going to put in a tablespoon of this stuff. This is going to give it that tangy flavor that I like. Maybe another hit to look. All right, one last stir. Now for my beans, again, 12-ounce dried peas, black-eyed peas, going in. And finally, 3½ cups of chicken broth. good final stir. Get those beans as submerged as possible. All right, we'll take my lid. I'm gonna set it to seal, the seal position. I'm gonna turn it on, turn it off saute mode. But I'll tell you, having it on saute mode really helps it pressurize fit quick, faster. So take that off. Pressure cook. Where's that? Sorry, pressure cook for 17 minutes. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, we're back with our black-eyed peas. I did 17 minutes at high pressure and then did a total natural release. Just let it. It took about maybe 20 minutes. But I tell you, these things are really good. Let me show you what we got going on. All right. Now that ham, normally when I use a ham hock, sometimes I'll get it out, I'll shred some of the meat and I'll put it back in, or sometimes I'll just throw it away. That ham chunk I used, the bone fell off of it, so I took the bone out and I took the bay leaves out and let that meat in there, and it's added a great flavor to it. If you want, when you put it on your plate, if you want to add a little extra hot to it, I suggest Slap Your Mama's hot sauce. That's the brand I use. But I'm telling you, it's got a great flavor the way it is. It really does. You can almost taste the balsamic vinegar and brown sugar, kind of like a hint of it, but not overpowering. But it's really good. So again, Happy New Year's Day, everybody. We've got our coleslaw, collard greens, and now our black-eyed peas. So we'll see y'all next time.